Hello everyone, this is the InStyle Knitting Studio with you. In this lesson, we will get acquainted with one of the methods for knitting puff stitches. For the sample, I have knitted a chain of air stitches. I have 15, as well as a row of single crochet stitches. We have already learned how to knit all of this. For those who find it difficult, I will leave links to those lessons under our video. To move on to the next row, we will make 2 air stitches for lifting. 1, 2, and we will turn our work. Now let's see how we will knit the puff stitches. We will make a yarn over away from us. That is, the hook moves away from us, and the working yarn comes towards us. We will insert the hook into the next stitch of the previous row. Grab the working yarn and pull it through. We have 3 stitches on the hook. Again, grab the working yarn and knit 2 stitches on the hook. Once more, we do a yarn over away from us. We insert the hook into the same stitch as the previous stitches. Pull the working yarn through. There are 4 stitches on the hook. Grab the working yarn and knit 2 stitches on the hook. Again, we make a yarn over away from us. We insert the hook into the same stitch of the previous row. Pull the yarn through. We knit 2 stitches on the hook. We should have 4 stitches on the hook. We have knitted 3 double crochet stitches, but we haven't finished them. This is the minimum number of stitches to knit a puff stitch. Then we will grab the working yarn. We will pull it through the 4 stitches on the hook. We secure everything with an air stitch. Here's our first puff stitch ready. If we look from above, we see that we have formed 2 loops. 1, 2. That is, from below we knitted into 1 loop this, our column. Accordingly, we must skip the next loop. And the next puff stitch will be knitted through the loop, here into this one. We make a yarn over away from us. Insert the hook through the loop of the previous row. We pull the working yarn. Knit 2 loops on the hook. Again we make a yarn over. We insert the hook into the same loop of the previous row. We pull the working yarn, knit 2 loops on O. The hook, again a yarn over. We insert the hook into the same loop. We pull the yarn, knit 2 loops on the hook. We have formed 4 loops. In one go, we knit all 4 loops at once. We secure our puff stitch with 1 chain stitch. Here, we again have 2 loops formed. Accordingly, we will knit the next column through the loop of the previous row. We skip 1. We insert the hook into the next one. We knit 2 loops. Again a yarn over. We insert the hook into the same loop. We pull the yarn, knit 2 loops. Again a yarn over. We insert the hook into the same loop. We pull the yarn. We knit 2 loops on the hooks. Here, we have knitted 3 columns, unfinished, double crochets. Now, grabbing the working yarn, we knit all 4 loops on the hooks at once, and make 1 chain stitch. This is how such puff stitches turn out. In our case, we knitted 3 double crochets into 1 loop. But we do not finish them initially, and then we knit all 4 loops on the hook at once. You can increase the number of columns knitted into 1 loop. You can knit 4 or 5, but the simplest is 3 columns into 1 loop. And I finish with a regular double crochet into the last one. This is how these columns look. Now let's move up to the next row. We will make 2 chain stitches for the rise. We will turn the work and continue to knit the same way here. This is one of the methods for working treble stitches. I hope it was clear. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments. Subscribe, like, and see you, my dear ones, at the next lesson. Goodbye.